Hey guys, welcome to Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video, I'm going to show you another way of making ring. In this case will be the first chain as ring. I show you already how to make ring with chains. Then last Wednesday I share how to make a magic loop or adjustable ring, as is known as well. Today I'm going to show you this simple trick. Right? You're going to make a chain and then you're going to make a ring within that chain, and I'm going to show you how. Using the first chain as ring is almost as good as the adjustable ring, aka magic loop, and it's very easy. All you need to do, you're going to chain the number necessary to reach the height of the first stitch in the first round. And then you're going to use the extra chain as the ring by working all the stitches of the first round into the first chain. The remaining chains that you left behind, those chains are going to serve as the first stitch of the round. I'm going to show you now step by step so you can learn it. Okay, this is very easy. Let's say I'm going to do double crochet stitches, right? And since double crochet stitches are equal to 3 chains, I'm going to add another extra. Remember always that you're going to chain the number necessary to reach the height of the first stitch in the first round, and you're going to add an extra chain. It's very easy to remember. Then you're going to work all the first round stitches into the first of these 4 chains, leaving the 3 chains for the first stitch. Very, very easy. That's all. You're going to keep making the stitches in that ring as needed. And then once you have all your stitches, you're going to join them with a slip stitch. It's very, very easy, guys. Guys, if you learned something new in this video, please comment below. If you want to know more stitches, you want to learn other stitches, you can go ahead and write down in the comment. I have other videos related to round and circles. Go ahead and check them out. Like this video, subscribe. See you next time.
Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.